Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2011 Mathematics Past Question 15. Solve for x and y respectively in the simultaneous equation minus 2x minus 5y equals to 3, comma, x plus 3y equals to 0, a minus 3, comma, minus 9, c and b 9, comma, minus 3, c minus 9, comma, 3, and d 3, comma, minus 9. Now we are given two equations and we have to solve them simultaneously. The first equation is minus 2x minus 5y equal to 3, equation 1. And the second equation is x plus 3y equals to 0. Now let's call this equation 2. Now from equation 2, we can say that x is equals to minus 3y. Now let's call this equation 3. Now since x is equals to minus 3y from equation 2, we can simply substitute minus 3y for x in equation 1. So therefore, wherever we see x in equation 1, we represent it as minus 3y. Now from equation 1, we have minus 2 multiplied by x, so that will be minus 3y now. Then minus 5y equal to 3. So now opening this bracket, minus 2 times minus 3y will give us 6y. So we have 6y minus 5y equal to 3. Now from this, we'll have that what? 6y minus 5y will give us y equals to 3. So that means y is equals to 3. Now, since we have the value of y to be 3 from equation 3 now, we have that x is equals to minus 3y. Therefore, x is equals to minus 3 multiplied by 3, which is equals to minus 9. So x is equals to minus 9 and y is equals to 3. Therefore, x comma y is equals to minus 9 comma 3. And that is option C, minus 9 comma 3. Thank you and God bless you, and just subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.